Mock Test 1. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program for Grammar School Admission Test, Year 7 Admission Test, or SATs. Today we will do the Week 1 mock test from Stage 1. We prepare 52 mock exams for Stage 1 and Stage 2. In each video, we will solve 5 similar questions from the mock exam. If you like it, you can take the full exams, which consist of 40 to 45 questions. The links are given in the description box below. Now, let's move on and solve 5 questions from Mock Exam 1, Stage 1. Here are the 5 similar questions from Mock Exam 1. These questions are unique, which means there are no repetition of the exact same question in different mock test papers. I want you to pause the video, take a pen and a paper, and solve these 5 questions in 4 to 5 minutes. If you need more time, don't worry about this time. Practice more to stay within the allowed time. Here are 5 questions from Stage 1 Mock Test 1 for you. Let's solve it and see if you manage to answer all of them correctly. In question 1, 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. If we multiply 4 by 3 and divide 12 by 12, the answer is 1, which is incorrect. According to the BODMAS rule, we divide first and then perform multiplication. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is D, or 9. If you forget which operation to do first, there's a simple trick to avoid the BODMAS rule. Turn all the division into multiplication. To do this, the number next to the division sign, put the numerator as the denominator and the denominator as the numerator. Example: 8 divided by 2/3 multiplied by 3.
If you cross out 3 and 3 and then divide 8 by 2, the answer is 4, which is wrong.
Let's change the division sign and put 2 as the denominator and 3 as the numerator. Now, 2 times 4 is 8 and 4 times 3 times 3 is 36. So the answer is 36, not 4. Example number 2. 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. If you multiply 2 and 2 and divide 4 and by 4, the answer is 1, which is incorrect. Let's change the division sign first. 4 times 1/2 times 2. 2 and 2 cross out, and the answer is 4. 4 times 4 divided by 2 times 2.
If you multiply 4 by 4 and 2 by 2 and then divide 16 by 4, the answer is 4, which is incorrect.
Let's change the division sign. 4 times 4 times half times 2. Now cross out 2 and multiply 4 by 4. It's 16. Now you know the best trick to avoid confusion. Which operation do you do first, multiplication or division? Question number 2. Just count all prime numbers from 1 to 15. Remember, 1 is not a prime number. Most students incorrectly count 1 as a prime number. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. A total of 6 prime numbers, not 7. Question number 3. You can solve it with mental calculation. A. 10% of 300 is 30. Just reduce 1 0 from 30. B. 25% of 100 is 1/4 of 100, or 25. C. 50% of 30 is half of 30, which is 15. D. 75% of 60 is 3/4 of 60, or 45. 100% of 10 is 10. No change of 10. So the answer is D, or 45. Question number 4. A right angle is 90 degrees, just like my hand. So the sum of the green and yellow angles are 90 degrees. Therefore, x plus 65 equals 90, or 2x plus 65 equals 90, or 2x equals 90 minus 65, or 2x equals 25, or x equals 12.5. So, the green angle is 65 plus 12.5, or 77.5 degrees. Question 5. A jumper costs twice as much as a shirt, or £8.99 multiplied by 2. However, we need the price of 2 jumpers, or £8.99 times 4 equals £35.96. So the answer is C. If you like this mock test, take the complete mock test with 45 questions. The link is given in the description box below. How will the full mock exam work? We will email you the question paper. You'll need to print it off and complete the exam within 40 to 50 minutes. After finishing the exam, please email us to confirm that you have completed it. Afterwards, we will send you a video link with a step-by-step solution for each question. This video is completely free when you take the full mock exam. It is like a one-to-one private tutors, and we will solve all problems together. We are confident that it will dramatically boost your exam preparation and give you a greater chance of having a place in grammar school or a similar school. If it sounds great, please check the link in our description box and take the exams. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, we will solve 5 different questions from mock exam 2. So please subscribe and do not miss any lectures. Until then, be vigilant when you're outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more.
Secure a place in grammar school and chill out. We have a 52-week program, 52 lectures, 52 mock tests, and 52 tips and fun. Don't miss anything. Please subscribe and join 11 Plus Maths Genius today.